Welcome to Mora series. What it is easy way how to make this placket. For those who have been following how I make my placket, this is gonna be easy and simple for you. I'm gonna leave a link below so that you learn how to do different kinds of placket. They're very simple. If you have new to channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. We're very simple. To make a video, I details. I explain more. I send a message to you need to know. We get school. If you're new to the channel, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell so that you will not miss any of my video. So let's get started. The length they're gonna use like 15 by 10 or 10 by 16 or 17 inches by length and width. So I'm marking 1 inch right now. Working on the right side of the fabric. My marking 1 inch. Me palm also you sew on the 1 inch. You can see how I folded. Don't say MC carbon no palm 1 inch so. Yeah. Then you leave quarter of an inch. You fold, then you leave quarter of an inch, then you sew. You leave a space quarter of an inch, and you sew on top again. Keep on folding like that until you in the first one we are no a space kakra. What carbon send me say carbon no aside them. What's up, so this is how you do it. It's Mora FC, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. This is what it is. You're gonna do the same thing. You leave quarter of an inch. You fold it like that, you leave quarter of an inch, then you sew. You kabum musana no jai space quarter kakrebi. Right there, wapam so. Just like that. Make sure you are getting everything accurately. And I can't say very funny sir. So I've gotten 3 lines right now. I'm just checking to see if my 3 lines is okay for me or is not okay for me. So I'm just folding to check. I still have a lot of space left, so I think I can add 1 to it. Let me check out say may for back count and some for back count. I'm sure next time if they back count and they back account. So after checking that I can even add 1 to it, I just added 1 line to it, so making it 4. It's more IFC erase what is how it's going to be. So you put it on iron, you press what on come. Make sure you shift all of them when go to one direction. Shift the cord one direction. Shift everything to one direction. Iron it to one direction. So I'm going to fold to the length that I want and to the width that I want. So I measure 2 inches. Now fold it like this. Then you measure 2 inches and I make a boom say and I'm iron. Make sure say all tono lines no ni na enhwe bi fa kon. The direction enhwe bi fa kon. Direction no enhwe bi fa kon. E ma bi nko hwe bi nhwe bi dey bi. Ma shift ni na won say say shift ni hwe ni na. Ma na hwe bi fa kon. So you have to iron it, let all the lines face as one direction, all of them. So as you can see, I still have left some few minutes like thread to I'm just checking and see 2 inch me say check here. So I just have to trim off the excess until that can be chogu, because I've got my measurement that I want. What am I going to use the rest for? I'm not going to use the rest for nothing, so I just have to cut it off. So this is how it's going to be. It is what it is. So I just put my facing on it, not the facing iron. Also, sa doko fe. Now I'm an iron. You make sure the lines are facing one direction again. Lines, make sure say facing one direction. So when you put the faces on it like this, it give it structured. It really give it a structures and the lines will fall at its right path so beautifully. So I folded a quarter of an inch, not fold a quarter of an inch there. Then I fold it back like this. For those who have been following how I make my pliquets, is very simple. So this is a turning over. Folding my vein here. I just have my pin to check if I have my straight vein line. I'm just checking to see. Yeah, the veins. You gotta get the veins correctly, otherwise one will be long, another one will be short. So when you're making the vein at the tip of it, you have to make sure that you have both sizes, you have accurate vein. So you're gonna reach to the place where there's a point. That's the place that we're gonna stop. then we flip back. No, we'll let the pleat fall back. Push that pump, I'm gonna now fall back. You shift everything back. I hope you get it. You know, it's facing one side, so it's time for you to shift it back again. Only that part. It's very, very simple. Ishimura FC, it is what it is. We have done. Just look how beautiful it has come out. Easy to do it. Try your hands on it. You know, have you seen the outcome? So perfect, so beautiful. We're done. So easy as ABC. If you have been following how I make my Placket, you know that this one is very simple for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Mora FC. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on sharing. It is what it is.